how to add watermark to iPhone photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you can add watermark to your iPhone photos with the built-in Photos app itself. It's really simple. Just head over to your Photos app and open the photo where you want to add the watermark. And then what you need to do is you need to go to the slider icon on the bottom, that is the edit option. So you can see the pencil icon on the top right beside three dots. Tap on it, and then you can see plus icon on the bottom right. Tap on it and you can see add sticker, add text, add signature, shape. You can choose any. I'll choose add text, and then I will put in my watermark. So I can change the color according to my wish, and then I can even change the font size. I can make it bold, italic, underline it, and then I can place it anywhere in the picture. If I want to, I can even add a signature. You can just put in your signature anywhere like this. You can change the color and the size as well. Similarly, you can add image and stickers as well. So it's as simple as that to add watermark on your iPhone photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.